In this Kanile'a Baritone K-1B Master Grade. Did you hear me? I said Master Grade. This is actually going to be fantastic. You're going to want to stick around to hear what this amazing instrument sounds like. Welcome to Ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. You're in for a treat here. If you don't even know what master grade wood is, stick around because I'm going to break this down, the 4 levels of wood that's offered by Kanile'a. So actually unbelievable. But if you like ukulele content, that includes the baritone, reviews, tutorial, challenges, giveaways. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification. Also, we're going to put a timestamp below if you want to jump ahead, which I don't know why you would, but if you want to jump ahead, you can jump around to different sections that you want to hear about this amazing instrument. And then while you're here, make sure to leave a comment, smash that like button, help this video get out, show us a little love over here at Ukelikethepros. This one just came in to my store, the #1 store for all your ukulele needs, store.ukelikethepros.com. And I have videos on the other baritones. What I mean by other baritones, the other woods, the 4 levels of wood that Kanile'a offers. Select, Deluxe, Premium, and then you basically can only get these like custom order. So they come in rarely. Once in a while, they'll put some together, and then they always call me because I'm huge. Probably, I mean, the #1 baritone dealer in the world by far. And they'll offer them to me, and this is the master grade. Woo! They usually only do the master grade for like custom orders or their platinum series at release. So to find it on a baritone is absolutely incredible. I'll talk all about that. But anyway, let me do a little playing, and we'll dive into this instrument. Game over. Done. Store.ukelikethepros.com. Go get this one now while it's around because it won't last long. Now, Kanile'a baritones, absolutely phenomenal. If you've seen any of my courses, that's ukelikethepros.com, the #1 site to learn ukulele. If you've seen any of my baritone courses, beginning baritone boot camp, the blues course, the fingerstyle course, you know that they're all done on a Kanile'a baritone. Now, not a master grade like this absolute beauty is. I'm jealous, definitely a little jealous, but absolutely stunning. All right. I was going to say, while I was playing, the strings here, just so you know, is the Kanile'a baritone strings. And I actually used them for a long time. And then I changed them to something else. And I didn't like them. And I actually went back to these strings. So what these are is the normal baritone tuning, D, G, B, and E. If you're a guitar player, you know you love that. But what we have is 2 wound strings here. The 4th and the 3rd string are wound, and then the 2nd and the 1st are black nylon. So actually really, really cool strings as well. All right, I like the way they sound. I think they have a nice mellow sound, and they sound great, especially right here on the Kanile'a. So I do carry those strings as well over at the store. All right, now, master grade. Check this out. Let me just show you this. I mean, this is made in Hawaii, master grade, absolutely stunning, all solid koa wood. Just, I mean, look at this. Look at how this matches. Boom, right there. You have the other side, absolutely stunning, and then the back, just, I mean, look at the curl. Look at the curl. Look at all this sideways curl, flame, whatever you want to call it on this beauty. This has got a gloss finish, the UV finish. Pretty simple though, no rosette, no binding, just their K-1 model, which I like. It's really a simple model here. Here's a question of the day. Does master grade wood sound better than the select koa, the deluxe koa, and the premium koa? because it's basically all the same, right? All comes from the koa tree, all comes from the Hawaiian Islands. It's just the different looks. Does it sound better? Theoretically, it should not. It should be the same. Just it looks different, right? The select wood is not so fancy. The deluxe is a little more fancy. The premium is a little more fancy. And then you get to this Mastergrade, and it does. I think it does. It's weird. It shouldn't. It's just wood. I don't know if it's a psychological thing when you're holding such a beautiful instrument, but I always just feel like the nicer wood grains, it just sound better. And I don't know why that is, but that's my opinion. What do you think? Leave a comment below in that. All right. Let me do a little more playing. We'll go over the specs here and all the dimensions you need to know. And I want to see what you think of this amazing instrument right here. Strumming, picking, it doesn't matter what you do. You thought I was playing Spanish ballad. It was kind of like a mixture of Spanish ballad and one of the songs for my fingerstyle mastery course. So it was kind of I just mixing it up a little bit. Improvising, just kind of playing there for you so you can hear it. Absolutely stunning. All right, let's check this out. You got the UV, nice satin finish. Nice satin finish, really nice neck. You can really see how nice and thin they are right here. Really easy to play. Really feels really comfortable in your hands. You got the gear tuners here. You got the ebony head plate, the 1.5-inch nut width, the baritone 20-inch scale length, ebony fretboard, ebony bridge, and then you have the mother of pearl fret markers. You also have them here on the side. So, oh, by the way, they do use the bridge pins on the Kanile'a, especially that's very like what a guitar would have. So you just got to pop these up, put the string in. You don't need strings that have the ball ends. Like you can just tie a knot in there, put it in, and put those right over it. I mean, that's it. I mean, this is just a simple, amazing that you just, I mean, for the sound, the looks, you just, this master grade wood, I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. Now, these do come with this Kanile'a gig bag. Let me grab it. So they do come with this bag. Actually, they're pretty nice bags. I will say that, pretty nice bags. Typically, at our store, and you can see our tags there, store.ukelikezepros.com, we ship these in a hard shell case. We've had some issues with damage. We don't like when instruments arrive damaged. No matter how good we pack them, UPS, USPS will find a way to destroy stuff. So we do include these with a hard shell case, even though they normally come with that Kanile'a case. But anyway, just to let you know what we do over there. And if you're there at the store, you want anything, we got advanced setups, we offer pickups, we have strap buttons, whatever else you need, we got you covered at store.ukelikezepros.com. So, all right, I'll do one more thing just before we get out of here. But again, the K-1B Mastergrade Kanile'a baritone, absolutely a game changer, fantastic. Again, they don't make the baritones in the Mastergrade a whole lot, so when they're available, you want to grab them. It's absolutely stunning. All right, let me do one last thing, and we'll get out of here. You know, I always do the blues. If you've seen all my review videos, I don't know how many review videos I've done. I just love to play the blues. Little simple blues right here. Simple blues. I'm going to pick it a little bit. Just let that baby ring out. So absolutely stunning. You can hear it. We have a mic here. We have a mic here. It's just absolutely stunning, stunning instruments. All right. Store.ukelikezepros.com. You can get this one right here, the Kanile'a K-1B Baritone Master Grade Wood. Fantastic. Thanks for being here. Thanks for all the support. Getting a course or a membership over at ukelikethepros.com. We got baritone content. We do baritone live stuff as well. We got challenges, all that good stuff. And also just subscribing, leaving a comment, all that. That's going to do it. I appreciate it. We do have a Patreon page as well. Just search Uke Like the Pros. All the social media stuff will come up. All right. Have a good one. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.